Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you knew it from before only that we are going to have a breakout kind of a scenario here, because I clearly mentioned on my yesterday's video that there is a good possibility of a market breaking this resistance. The logic was that though we have a resistance at the top, a resistance from the weekly chart, okay, but still market was forming higher lows here. It means that whenever market was facing selling pressure, it was not breaking the previous lows. It clearly signifies that though there is selling pressure in the market, but buyers are present in the market and they were trying their best to take the price upward. As a result, we saw that market broke the weekly resistance, and right now market is trading above the weekly resistance of 1.3780. But you can see that I have mentioned here weekly resistance of 1.3780, and in the support I have inserted a question mark. So yes, it looks like that it has become the new support for the market, but we have a but here, and the but is, you can see that I have also added a trend line here. To be very honest, I forgot to draw the trend line yesterday. I missed the trend line, so please don't mind. Okay, so you can see that we have a trend line from the top acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, or in simple words, previously whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from this trend line, and right now you can see that after breaking this level, when market tried to go up, it faced the same selling pressure, it faced the same resistance from this trend line. So it clearly signifies that this trend line is a valid resistance for the market, and that can be a problem for us right now. Therefore, to be very honest, if you look at the market here, yes, we had a breakout here, that is a good news, but this trend line is a bad news, and right now market is in the middle. So to be honest, market is in a very critical position right now. In my opinion, if you are a beginner, if you are new to trading, or if you are someone who cannot afford to lose any money right now, then my dear friend, please listen to me. This chart is not for you right now. Please avoid GBP USD as long as market is trading between these critical zone here, because see, we all love to make money, we do not want to lose money, but sometimes a bad trade can wipe out everything, because most of us do not know risk management. I have been requesting to follow risk management, but nobody listens. So that's why I'm requesting you, if you are a beginner, if you're new to trading, please stop, please avoid GBP USD as long as market is trading here, because see, we have a support which is not allowing the market to go down, and we have a resistance at the top which is not allowing the market to go up. Therefore market is in a very tight, narrow range here. Are you getting my point? So what should be our strategy then? Strategy is kind of critical, and to be honest, I will also avoid GBP USD for quite some time, because see, if you look at the chart of dollar index here, US dollar DXY, you can see that dollar is coming down again. You can see the dollar has entered the support zone here. Yesterday when dollar bounced from the support zone, you can see that it did not cross the previous high, rather it has made a lower high. So dollar is losing strength. Try to understand the market emotion here. So slowly dollar is losing strength. So there is a possibility of dollar breaking the support level and going down, and in that case, if dollar breaks the support and starts going down, then definitely we will see some good buying on GBP USD, because we know that there is a correlation When US dollar DXY goes up, GBP USD goes down. When dollar goes down, GBP USD goes up. So there is a good possibility that of dollar breaking the support, going down, and if that happens, okay, if that happens, obviously GBP USD will cross the resistance, break the resistance, and will start going up, and then we can go for buy, I think, or that at that particular point of time I will click on the buy button. But till now, as long as market is trading here, I will not do anything here. I'll just keep on observing. And on the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if market breaks also the level of 1.3780, okay, if market breaks also this level, I will not suggest you to do anything right away, because overall, see, overall, if you just observe the trend of the market here, you can see that market is an uptrend. So if you short the market here, then you are going against the trend and you may get trapped. So things are quite critical here. If you want to listen to me, you can listen to me, and if possible, please avoid, okay, please avoid GBP USD as long as you do not see any proper breakout. Okay, if you see selling on the chart of DXY US dollar and GBP USD goes up, then that can be a good option, but otherwise I'll just suggest you to avoid GBP USD. And that's it. And in this kind of scenario, the Pro Trader program comes into the scene, because I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Because see, in the Pro Trader program, most of the traders are right now trading on the GBP JPY and USD JPY after the breakout. Okay, so here I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you want to know what is this, just go to my website and just click on the download the sample here and just see what kind of trades I share. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.